in the missing letters. Yes, you are correct. The jockey rides a horse. Yes, you are correct. The mouse hides in a hole. Yes, you are correct. The leopard is on the tree. Yes, you are correct. An elephant has a long trunk. The spider spins a web. Yes, you are correct. We saw a snake in the grass. Yes, you are correct. There are sheep in the field. Yes, you are correct. The monkey is climbing the tree. Yes, you are correct. The lizard is on the floor. Yes, you are correct. A rhinoceros is a large animal. Yes, you are correct. The eggs are in the basket. Yes, you are correct. The shirt is too big for him. Yes, you are correct. Alex is sitting on a chair. The train is leaving the station. father drives a truck. Yes, you are correct. Jane wears a pretty dress. Yes, you are correct. This is a shoe factory. Yes, you are correct. Paul carries his boy on his shoulder. Yes, you are correct. He fell and sprained his ankle. Yes, you are correct. We use our mouth to speak. Yes, you are correct. This is a comb of bananas. You are correct. Wine is made from grapes. Yes, you are correct. I bought apples and oranges from the market. You are correct. This is a pineapple. Yes, you are correct. I like to eat durians. Yes, you are correct. She bought a tin of tomato paste. Yes, you are correct. Rabbits like to eat carrots. Yes, you are correct. This is a pumpkin. No, it's wrong. Onions have a strong smell. Yes, you are correct. All these are vegetables. Yes, you are correct. I am reading a magazine. Yes, you are correct. Someone is knocking on the door. Yes, you are correct. My father drives a car to work. Yes, you are correct. Today is a sunny day. Yes, you are correct. Mark is sleeping on the bed. Yes, you are correct. The cat is trying to catch the mouse. Yes, you are correct. The boy throws the ball up into the air. Yes, you are correct. Dawn is studying for the examination. Yes, you are correct. The children are crossing the road. Yes, you are correct. The horse jumps over the fence. Yes, you are correct. May I borrow your pencil? Yes, you are correct. Lucy rides a bicycle to school. Yes, you are correct. We have our breakfast every morning. Yes, you are correct. Mary is combing her hair. Yes, you are correct. The artist is painting a picture. Yes, you are correct. I found a wallet along the path. Yes, you are correct. My father is painting the wall. Yes, you are correct. She likes butter on her bread. Yes, you are correct. She is standing behind the chair. Yes, you are correct. The window is open.